Good and Sparky out in the mission. Trying to find my fucking drone. Not too safe out here.
Six feet altitude, 12 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 93% battery.
Got an eye in the sky at least. That's Mike down there. We're basically right on top of the thing. This is the map. Home point. So I'm using this.
20 feet altitude, 15 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 88% battery.
Okay, apparently this is facing where it went down. So I gotta be really careful because we're not in a good place. Looking for something orange.
19 feet altitude, 9 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 82% battery.
I don't have a lot of open space up there.
21 feet altitude, 13 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 77% battery.
Now if I can't spot it here, I'm going to watch it on my big screen TV at home. This is the last position, number 1, where it went down. I'm really close to that.
"22 feet altitude, 13 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 72% battery."
It's literally right on top of it. It's marker 1. So it's got to be right underneath me. Have to really be careful where I am because it's a little windy and it's moving around.
"24 feet altitude, 21 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 67% battery."
It looks like it landed in a tree from the very last picture I got. But it may not have. It could have fell Too close to the water. It would really suck if it went in the fucking water. I'll never find it. It would be my luck too. Out of all the fucking
24
size.
feet altitude, 13 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 62% battery.
The size of the area I was flying in. And it would land in this fucking stinking 20-foot creek.
Seven feet altitude, 10 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 57% battery.
I got to keep you close because it's so windy.
Fifteen feet altitude, 9 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 51% battery.
It's right here somewhere. I am right over where it says it is.
Fifteen feet altitude, 12 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 46% battery.
Boy, that position where it is right now, that's in the fuck above the water. That wouldn't be good.
18 feet altitude, 10 feet distance, 0 miles per hour, 40% battery.
We're gonna land it because it's getting a little windy.
Recording stopped.
Yeah, right. So it's right in front of me somewhere. Right by this tree. I'll try to get in there. Hope it didn't go in the fucking water, but D-dub out.